Just that one word can change your impression. Perfect for beginners and kids. Shopping edition. Show me this. That sounds a bit strong. What should I say? Could you show me this? Could you show me this? I want this. That is a bit direct. What sounds natural? I would like this. I would like this. Do you have size? That is a bit unnatural. What should I say instead? Do you have this in my size? Do you have this in my size? Do you have M size? That sounds a little off. What is more natural? Do you have this in medium? Do you have this in medium? Do you have big one? That is too casual. How should I say it? Do you have a larger size? Do you have a larger size? Do you have small one? That sounds a bit off. What sounds natural? Do you have a smaller size? Do you have a smaller size? I try this. That is a bit unnatural. What is the better phrase? Can I try this on? Can I try this on? Can I try? That is not very polite. How can I say it politely? Can I try this on? Can I try this on? Where try this? That sounds a little off. What should I say? Where is the fitting room? Where is the fitting room? This is expensive. That might sound rude. What do people usually say? It is a bit expensive. It is a bit expensive. Make it cheaper. That sounds a bit harsh. How should I say it? Could you make it cheaper? Could you make it cheaper? How much? That is too casual. What is a better way? How much is this? How much is this? Do you have other color? That is a bit unnatural. What should I say instead? Do you have this in another color? Do you have this in another color? I take this. That is a bit direct. What sounds natural? I will take this. I will take this. No bag. That sounds a bit blunt. How can I say it politely? I do not need a bag. I do not need a bag. Could you show me this? Could you show me this? I would like this. I would like this. Do you have this in my size? Do you have this in my size? Do you have this in medium? Do you have this in medium? Do you have a larger size? Do you have a larger size? Do you have a smaller size? Do you have a smaller size? Can I try this on? 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 Where is the fitting room? Where is the fitting room? It is a bit expensive. It is a bit expensive. Could you make it cheaper? Could you make it cheaper? How much is this? How much is this? Do you have this in another color? Do you have this in another color? I will take this. I will take this. I do not need a bag. I do not need a bag. Thank you for watching. We will upload new stories every day. Let's enjoy learning English together.